am an AI voice assistant calling on behalf of advisors, services, and solutions. I am not a human. I am calling to discuss your portfolio optimization report. Here's a brief analysis. Your portfolio has a high Sharpe ratio of 1.4279, suggesting good risk-adjusted returns, with an expected annual return of 50.21% and portfolio risk of 35.16%. However, it's highly concentrated in NVDA, which makes up 65.10% of the holdings and accounts for 85.10% of the risk.
Stop.
Both AMPN and AEL provide for balance, while NSFE and PFLA currently have zero weight. Would you like me to answer any questions about this report?
No, thank you.
I tried to build an AI that reads my investment portfolio to me.
Hello.
And I accidentally created a filibustering robocall bot. What is a talking portfolio, you might ask? My previous two builds were a portfolio optimizer and an application that uses an AI voice agent to make phone calls. Of course, I had to combine them. So what problem does this actually solve?
Problem. A capable portfolio optimizer produces tear sheets and risk metrics, but it all sits inside a desktop app. The user has to open, read, and interpret. Insights are pull only and easy to skip for a busy professional or parent. Solution? Portfolio insights come to you as a natural voice conversation. Hear a summary or drill into detail, ask follow-ups.
First, I had my coding assistant connect the portfolio optimizer to a local inference engine, Ollama. On my 16 gigabyte VRAM desktop, I downloaded 3 open models. DeepSeek R1, 14 billion parameters, Quen distilled. Llama 3.1, 8 billion instruct, and Quen 2 Math, 7 billion instruct. Then I asked Claude Code and I to write a spec that could be ingested by a coding agent. I wanted an application that could run the portfolio optimizer, get the results, and call a contact with the information.
Hello.
After a few hours of back and forth, we actually had a working prototype. There's one problem. The voice call agent is driven by Gemini Live, which is not free. I have to remove the paid Gemini functionality from the flow and replace it with my local open weight model. But wait a second, I have a minimally viable application sitting in front of me. Why trash it? I'm going to finish this app with Gemini for the live agent and use the open model for the summarization step. Nothing more to do. Done and dusted. Thank you. But wait, there was still a problem. The AI voice agent cannot stop talking and talking, even when I try to interrupt it. After I said hello, the agent couldn't stop monologuing. I created a filibustering robocall bot. Claude and I went back to work. It took a while for Claude and I to wrangle the agent into submission, but we did. We finally got the talking portfolio into a presentable state. Take a look at this demo.
Hello?
I am an AI voice assistant calling on behalf of advisors, services, and solutions. I am not a human.
Okay.
I am calling to discuss your portfolio optimization report. Is now a good time to talk?
Yes, it is.
Great. Would you prefer a brief summary, which will take about 2 minutes, or a more detailed walkthrough that's closer to 5 minutes? Which would you prefer?
Brief.
Great. Okay, summary mode it is. I'll just give you the key takeaways. Want me to start?
Yes, please.
Your portfolio's Sharpe ratio is 1.4279, which measures return earned per unit of risk taken. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does.
The expected annual return is 50.21%. Want me to keep going?
Let me know if you've had the same issue with voice call agents. Leave a comment. Subscribe. Hit the like button. See you soon.